All right, today is the first leg of our 2-night, 3-day trip. We're going to go up to a town. Oh my gosh, let me get to the name of it, I forget.
Musim gugur di Asia. Asia.
But it's way up, actually, right on the northern Cambodian border to Thailand, and really it's only about a 3-hour ride, but I'm going to head on up there. The claim of fame to this town that we're going up to, that's where they interned Pol Pot's ashes, but that's not really a big thing. What is a big thing is it's a beautiful ride, beautiful town, big lake up there. It's that way. Now I'm up in some town, and I just wanted to show you this because this does look like your typical market in a small town. All right, now we're getting to the meat and potatoes of of the market. I've been to many markets, so I'll just bring you briefly through this. A very beautiful looking market. I really like that. Hello. And we'll just, everyone's staring at me. I don't think they've seen a barong here in a long time. But it's very nice, very clean. We got lots of nice stuff in here. Hello! Yeah. Hello, how are you?
How you are?
Just walking around, taking video. Yeah. YouTube, you famous now. It's about almost noon now, and I got out. I was gonna get out at 10 o'clock to start this trip, and it was I had to get an oil change real quick on this thing. It was about 20 after, 15 after, stop and get gas. So not doing too bad, not quite halfway. Okay, now, do not try this at home. 2 hands on the handlebars. That's why they call them the handlebars. Keyword in there, handle. Okay, just thought I'd let you know that. Handlebars means that's where the bar where you put your hand at. Having a great time. Bye. Well, I'm not halfway. Where I'm at is Along Vieng, and that was the destination that I wanted to go to, and I didn't stop halfway. I was looking for a place to eat, and I didn't see anything that catched my fancy, so I just kept on going, and now I'm where I was looking to be at. I'm not really sure. Well, I'll put it up on the map and you'll see it. I'll finally put it up on the map. But let me go and show you around before I trash the room. So here's the veranda. Very, very beautiful veranda here. But let me show you what the room is. I got it for 2 nights. I want to stay here 2 nights. That'll give me all of tomorrow to go out and explore and get some video for you guys. But this is my room here, and it's got a bathroom, and it's really good. It's got soap. The last place I stopped off didn't have soap, and I'm going like, what the heck? But no, this has got 2 beds, and it does have an air conditioner, but I said I don't need it. I just need a fan room. So it's got that oscillating, and then it's got a fan up there. And like I said, 2 beds. Got these prison bars here, so they're going to have to come in through the door if they're going to be coming in anywheres. For me, that's it's a good price at $7.50 a night. I'll take it. $15 for the trip up here plus gas. Not too bad. Well, it's like $6. Gas is going up everywhere. But I'm going to go and take a break here, and then we're going to go out and eat. Okay, just a side note. I'll give you a little side note here. I go and I unpack, and I wanted to put on a pair of shorts and my sandals, and I didn't pack them. So I got to walk around in these monsters. Well, I just had a late lunch at over there. I don't know. Yeah, it is an experience being this far away from anything that is even remotely similar to or familiar with tourism. And so it's, yeah, I enjoy it. I'm having a great time. So to walk off my my late lunch, I'm going to walk it off. That's the best way to walk something off, is to walk, well, you know what I mean. Uh-oh, I got a whole bunch of cows or something. They're all just staring at me. Haven't you ever seen a white boy yet? Jeez, man, I can understand the kids, but... See, I ain't lying. This guy's just staring at me. Well, I think I'm safe now, but I was damn near getting run over by all the kids on their scooters. And I also noticed that a lot of these kids have the electric scooters, and I'm really surprised that even with 2 kids on them, they go pretty darn fast. So that's yeah, I don't know. That's just crazy. Oh, we got some durian here. Yeah, want some durian? Yummy, yummy. Well, other than the dogs barking at me, 'cause they ain't never seen a white boy, I guess. I just wanted to, oops, there we go. I just wanted to show you that house. Very traditional, very nice. I like it. Very beautiful. Okay. Okie doke. All right, dogs. That's enough. I'm like a human, like everybody else. Everybody seems so happy and so accommodating here. Oh my gosh, check that one out. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of meat there. Come on, come on. Yeah, we just got all kinds of stores, those cool moto thingies that, yeah, I don't know what the heck you call them. All kinds of hardware stores, motorcycle stores, and you've got fruit stands. Yeah, and you have a roundabout. Yes, roundabout. If you know, you know.